In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a poll in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Polls are a great way to gather opinions or make decisions quickly with your team. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open the app directory in Slack. To do this, look over to the lower left corner of your workspace panel and click on the More option, which looks like three little dots. Once you've clicked that, navigate to where it says Tools and then select Apps. This will take you to the app directory, where you can browse through various integrations available for your workspace. Now we need to install a specific app to create polls. In the search bar at the top of the app directory, type in Simple Poll. This is a popular tool for creating polls in Slack. Once you find it, click on it, and then you'll see an Add to Slack button. Go ahead and click that and follow any prompts to authorize the integration for your workspace. This step is crucial because it allows Simple Poll to function seamlessly within Slack. Once you have Simple Poll installed, the fun part begins. Head on over to the channel or chat where you want to post your poll. In the text box at the bottom, type in /poll and then press Enter. This will open up the poll creation tool where you can put together your question and options for your team to vote on. Now, let's build your poll. You'll see a creation window pop up where you can fill in your main question. Think about what you want to ask your teammates, whether it's about a project deadline, picking a lunch spot, or deciding on your next team-building activity. Make sure your question is clear. After that, you'll want to list out the different voting options. You can typically include multiple choices, so give your team a few alternatives to choose from. Once you've filled that out, it's really helpful to preview your poll before you make it live. There should be a preview button right in the creation window. Click that to see how your poll will look to your teammates. This is a good moment to double-check everything, whether your question is phrased correctly or if you need to tweak any options. If everything looks great, just hit the Create Poll button to publish it into the channel. Once you do this, your teammates will be able to see the poll and begin casting their votes right away. It's that simple. And there you have it. You've just created a poll in Slack. It's a straightforward process that can really enhance collaboration and help make decisions more efficiently within your team. Just remember, using polls can save time and give everyone a voice, so don't hesitate to use this feature often. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and